How to get Sweetie Fox filter on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, on the TikTok application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen, and what you can simply do is tap on different filters available over here. So you can just drag it to the right, and here you can see the option of discover all effects. Select on discover all effects, and here you can simply tap on the magnifying glass icon that will show you the search icon. Now just tap on the search bar and search for Sweetie Fox filter over here. So let's search for it, and here you can see different options related to this, and you'll be able to use any of the filters or the effects related to this. You can just tap on this video icon at the right side of the effect or the filter, and you'll be able to use it. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.